Look what Huda Beauty has sent me, her new UBE collection. Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Colors of Life with Fakiha. If you are new here, I am Fakiha. So as you guys have seen in the intro, in today's video, I will show you my dream PR package. So without further delay, let's unbox. Here is my beautiful PR from Huda Beauty. Guys, I'm super excited for this PR. First, let me show you this beautiful bow. It's a head bow, or you can say clip. So pretty. So here is the package or box. It has Huda Beauty written on the top, and now let's open. Okay. Beautiful Huda with all influencers. Those are part of this campaign. All details about this UBE collection. This is Huda Beauty mirror. Matches with the theme. Purple lilac color. So pretty. These are hair clips, pink and purple. Let me open this for you. Super cute. I can't wait to try these clips. I will open this bag later. First, I want to show you these powder puffs. Again, matches with the theme, pink and purple or lilac. It is huge. And the tiny one, medium size, same in pink, but in heart shape. So adorable. Now finally, this cute bag, heart-shaped bag, Huda Beauty written on top with rhinestones, and on the other side, new Huda logo. So creative. Look at the zipper. It has same new logo. And zipper is so smooth. Here are the all makeup products that I received. This is Huda Beauty blush filter in Cotton Candy, which is old shade. This one is new shade with new packaging. Huda Beauty blush filter in Ube cream. New Easy Bake shade with new packaging, which is UBE birthday cake. Easy Bake in shade Peach Pie. And finally, last piece of the collection, which is Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss in UUU-BABY. So here are the new products from UBE collection. Now let's open. Here I open all three products. First, I want to try Easy Bake in Ube birthday cake. Like I said, this is new packaging. Bright lilac color. Now blush filter in Ube cream. These blushes are my favorite. And Faux Filler Lip Gloss in shade UUU-BABY. Pretty lilac color with high shine. So before showing you the collection, I want to fix this cute little bow on my hair. Look at this. Isn't it look pretty? I am obsessed. So here I have Huda Beauty Ube Cream Blush Filter. Guys, I am obsessed with these blushes. It smells like cotton candy. So refreshing. let's have a look on this cute mirror. Adorable. I want more. This electric lilac color is like so pretty. And these blushes are super blendable. Do you see? Like I just, literally like one swipe blush. You can also build it. Like I said, I am in love with this color. Look at the blush. So gorgeous. And now it's time for a star of the show, which is Huda Beauty Easy Bake UBE birthday cake, electric lilac color. Let's try it out. Okay, so here it is. Okay. Let me grab my mirror. Okay, so let's have a look. I want more. I don't understand why people have issue with the fragrance. I am totally fine with that. It actually smells so good. I'm feeling like Barbie right now. Honestly, guys, this collection is bomb. Now, third and last product of the collection, which is gloss, faux filler gloss, milky lilac color. Now it's time for my opinion on this collection. I'm not saying this because I received this as a PR. This collection is genuinely amazing. You guys can see I am honestly obsessed. So when will you get all these products? Right now, these are available at Sephora exclusively on Sephora app. On tomorrow, January 9th, it will be available on Sephora, and on January 10th, worldwide at hudabeauty.com. Here I want to mention one important thing. If you want all three products together, you will get it from hudabeauty.com on January 10th in a kit which is called UBE Collection Kit, even in lesser price. So this is such a great deal. For your convenience, I will add all links in description. Do check them out. Before going to end, I just want to say, guys, this collection is limited, so don't miss out. Here is the end of my video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and do comment down below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.